Hello guys, I am Krishna Chavda and in today's video we will be going to talk about the imbalance in Panchtatva, the sky, air, earth, water and fire. And I have a unique solution in order to solve this imbalance. So please watch the video till the end.
You all must be aware of Panchtatva. The word Panchtatva originates from Sanskrit, where Panch stands for five and Tattva indicates elements. Following the universal law of life, everything on this planet is composed of five basic elements or the Panch Mahabhutas. These are space, air, water, fire, and earth. Water is the source of life and it flows within all of us. 70% of the earth is composed of water, and the same goes for the human body. But nowadays, due to human activities like oil spills, urbanization, etc., water is getting polluted day by day. As a result, a lot of waterborne diseases are spreading. Fire is the source of energy and light. Light is important to see the beauty of the world in all its radiant colors. But the nature of fire has changed and it has become uncontrollable. The Amazon forest fire, Uttarakhand forest fire, and the Black Saturday bush fires are some examples of the uncontrollable raging of fires. The space is a vast expanse that accommodates everything. The space acts like a shelter for us, but it is sad to know that how due to several human missions to space, it has now become a junkyard full of satellites. Air, which can also be linked to the atmosphere, is a very powerful source of life that sustains us. Although the present scenario has completely changed since the air that sustained us is now toxic and polluted. This has led to the birth of several airborne diseases. The earth, solid as it is, houses us, flora and fauna. With its tremendous magnetic fields and gravitational force, it keeps every living and non-living thing grounded to itself. But humans are exploiting the resources of earth to fulfill their greed at a very fast rate. It has created an imbalance in the nature. Usually people tend to overlook the influence that these Panchtattvas have on their everyday lives. To remind them of its greatness, nature periodically unleashes its wrath in the form of natural calamities. Instances like these change us forever, leaving us in awe of the power possessed by nature.
Unique way of saving water is that there should be a billboard in each city that would display the amount of remaining storage of water and the level of pollution in the water. As a result, if people see this billboard again and again, they would be self-aware and self-conscious and they would on their own save their water and reduce their water consumption. As a result, a lot of water will be saved. As we all know that electricity is generated with the help of fossil fuels like coal and petroleum. As a result, the resources of coal and petroleum have been depleting day by day, and also by the burning of these coal and petroleum, a lot of harmful gases are released, and these gases are really harmful. So now I have a creative way in which we can transfer the electricity wirelessly without any wires. So guys, this is basically a mini Tesla coil, and the Tesla coil has the property that when it is given energy, it transfers the electrical energy amongst its surroundings wirelessly. As a result, when any electrical object comes near the Tesla coil, it starts glowing automatically without any need of switches or wires. As a result, we can say that electricity has been transferred wirelessly without any need of wires. So guys, as you can see, when I bring a LED light near the Tesla coil, it automatically starts glowing. Electricity is transferred wirelessly. So guys, my idea is that we should have at least one big Tesla coil in each city that would be capable of providing all the electrical equipment in that city, electrical energy. As a result, we will no longer need wires and we can use Tesla coil as a clean and pure form of electrical energy provider. So guys, I hope that you find my solution helpful and effective. And at last, I want to say, let's maintain the beauty of the nature by balancing its element and keeping it pure for our future generations. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel Mr. Carbon and also like and share the videos with your friends so that they can also watch this useful video. Thanks for watching.